Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check currently trending on TikTok, and we can actually see them by their pin on the search icon, and then we are going to see them by the ones that are going to be located on you may like, and that's how I'm going to look at the Olympics breakdowns. From here I can continue scrolling, and as you can see, I can see the ones that are trending by, if we were to break it by video, we can see that this was the first one that was at the top. Then even decide to look at it using videos. Maybe let's say I select to tap on this one, since this one has a lot of likes, and I tapped on the more, and it looked at the hashtags that this person has decided to use in order for her video to go viral. So as you can see, she has used hashtag Olympics and etc. So if I decide to tap on hashtag Olympics, I'm going to see all the Olympics that have used the same hashtag. As you can see for this one, it has some few likes. Even this one has, actually they have, like almost all of them have a lot of likes. And as you've seen, we've been able to break it down using the video. As you can see for this one, has 4.5 million likes. If we scroll down, you're going to see another one with a lot of likes still, then even at another one with also a lot of likes. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.